Hi there, students. Dew, D-E-W, a noun. I think it's probably uncountable, although maybe it could be countable as well, but nearly always uncountable. Notice dew, D-E-W, not due to because of D-U-E. Different meaning, same sound. Let's see, dew are these drops of water that form on the ground or on surfaces outside at night. Yeah, dew is due to the condensation of water dissolved in the air. So the dew is this water that's in the air that condenses, it settles on plants and on surfaces, maybe on a spider web, for example, and you'll see little drops of dew all over the surface. You will see dewdrops. Yeah, a dewdrop is a drop of dew. Yeah, and you will see little dewdrops all over the surface of things. Okay, so yeah, this is when this water comes out of the air. I guess you could use this in a very literary way as a verb to say to make wet. So when she started to talk about her dead boyfriend, I saw her eyes begin to dew, to become wet, to moisten. But that's, I think, very formal and very literary, rather rather literary, and gives a metaphoric idea. Notice as well, you could have the dew point. The dew point is the temperature when the water dissolved in the air, it becomes saturated, and that's the temperature where droplets begin to form. Okay, so that depends how much water is dissolved in the air. I was also thinking there are various drinks called something dew, Mountain Dew. Yeah, so it gives this idea that it's fresh and refreshing. Yeah, so I think you could probably use dew figuratively. Anything that comes that's very light and is very refreshing. Okay, so the dew. While we're at it as well, frost. Frost is when the dew then freezes. So the temperature goes down and the dew forms all over the surfaces of things, and then the temperature continues to drop and that dew freezes, and there's this white frost all over everything, and that is your that is dew. Yeah, so dew, this water, but use it metaphorically. Something fresh, pure, renewing. The timely dew of sleep inclines our eyelids, to quote John Milton. Okay, and then a dewdrop, a drop of dew, a drop of that water. The dew of youth. Yeah, something that's fresh and interesting and alive. You could use it like that as well. So I think that's probably enough. What about the formality? Dew, 5 in formality, use it anywhere. If you use it figuratively, then 7.5 in formality. But if you're actually talking about the dew on the grass, 5 in formality, use as you wish. And then as to origin, this comes from Proto-Germanic, Dewey, meaning dew or moisture, from Proto-Indo-European, Dewey, which is smoke or some sort of haze. Okay, so the dew, yeah, the dew on the grass, the dew on the top of your car when you go to work in the mornings. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Dew, dewy-eyed, dewy as well.